Hey everyone, it's Parker from Digital Trends, and we're checking out a pretty cool piece of modern drum gear today. It's the Yamaha EAD-10, and what it is an electronic drum module that allows you to record your drums and add really cool sounds to them in real time. So the brains of the operation come through this electronic drum module, and basically this hooks up to a big microphone that you put in the middle of the drum kit. And what it allows you to do is take the sounds from that microphone and modify them. There's a bunch of different dance presets, gates, different delays, and just really cool effects that you can put over your drums. And basically what you do is you send this out into the hall or into your recording interface, and it adds to the sound of your recorded drums. So I'll play a couple bars without the effect engaged, and then we'll engage it, and you can see how cool the sound gets when we add the effect. So here's without it. And here's with it. So here's a cool effect called It's 1985. So one of the coolest things about this machine is it allows you to imitate the sound of vintage drums and other sort of hard to find drum items. And one of them is calfskin drum heads. And those are the kind of drum heads that you might have found on big jazz drum kits in the 30s and 40s. If you're a drummer who's into the cutting edge of technology, or just someone who wants to mess around with different sounds while they practice, the EAD-10 is a really cool option and one that you haven't really had before.